Best Desk Mat Protector Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular desk mats in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this desk mat so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of some of the features of this desk mat. The one that made our list is the E-Minter dual-sided desk pad. This is made from enhanced PU leather, which protects your desktop from scratches, stains, spills, and scuffs. It is water resistant and heat resistant for extended durability. You can even use both sides of the desk pad. It measures 31.5 by 15.7 inches, so it's large enough to accommodate your laptop, mouse, and keyboard. It also works perfectly as a mousepad too, so you don't need an additional mousepad. This mat is non-slip for improved stability, so you can concentrate on your work without it shifting around. To clean it, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth and it's good to go. It even has a convenient roll-up strap so you can bring it anywhere with you. To check out the full specs of the E-Minter dual-sided desk pad and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/deskblotter. Here's a quick look at this desk mat. So there you have it, the E-Minter dual-sided desk pad. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this desk mat is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the E-Minter dual-sided desk pad and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/deskblotter. Alright, thank you for watching.